Hey there. If you've been looking for a new wall-mounted heater, then you're in the right place, because luckily I got this wall-mounted heater sent to me to make a video about so I can show you guys what it looks like here. So you can see this is how it looks here. It's got a nice cover on it, and then it's got a nice housing there that would mount inside your wall there. Alright, let me go ahead and show you everything that came in the box here and how it all looks. Here's everything that you get in the box here. You get the vent cover right here. And then inside the fan here, you get the little baggie here. This gives you your cover here for the controls. So you got your control knob right there. And then you got a couple of screws here to hold the cover on. Comes with a little bag of hardware here. You get a little screw right here to hold the cover on, and then some screws there to screw it into the wall. These screws are also white, so that looks really nice right there, that you got the white heads on the screws there. And then you got that little screw right there to hold it all together. It also comes with the instructions here, and there's your measurements right there. If you want to know how big it is right here, I'll go ahead and get out the tape measure here. There's your measurements here. It says it's 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters. Let me go ahead and double check that. It says the long part there is 10 1/8 and 25.7 centimeters. So that looks right there. If you measure on the bottom, you'll get a little bit smaller there, but you measure up here on the top, because it's curved right here, you get 10 1/8 inch right there, or you get 25.7 centimeters. And then the top there, 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters. Okay, there's the 8 inches, and then there's the 20 centimeters there. The 8 inches or the 20.3 centimeters for the top, and then it tells you to put it up off the floor, 4.5 inches or 11 centimeters off the floor there. And then here's the cover right here. It's got a really nice cover. It's got nice paint on it. Really nice material there. And then you get your little cover right here, your controller. So you can adjust it there. And then you got your screws here that would go through here. Screw those into the wall. Same thing up here on this one. So you can see how nice those will look once you get those screwed in there. So it's nice that they have the painted heads on there. But you got your instructions there on how to put it all together. You also got the wiring instructions on the back here. Here's the wiring that it comes with here. You got the 2 wires here. You got your line wire here, the red one, and then you got your white wire, the neutral wire there. So you can see how it looks here with the cover on there. It's a really nice looking heater. It's got the nice vent cover on here and the nice control there. So yeah, this thing looks pretty nice. If you're looking for a wall-mounted heater, this is a pretty nice one.